All right, so to check for malware on your Android phone, there's a couple of recommended ways to do that, and also a way that I don't recommend, and I'll talk more about that in a minute. But let's look at the first way, which works on any Android phone, and we can actually do this in the Google Play Store. So we'll go to the Play Store, and then tap your profile in the top right corner. And then from the profile page, we're going to go to Play Protect. Then here, you'll click Scan, and this is going to scan all the apps installed on your phone. It basically will comb through all the apps installed on your device and compare the code of those apps against Google's massive cloud database of known malicious threats, spyware, and adware. And if it finds anything dangerous, it'll give you an immediate option to uninstall that app. Mine came out all clean, so we're good. Another way to do this, and this is specifically for you Samsung owners, is to use the Device Care feature. For this, we'll go to Settings first, and then scroll down to Device Care. This will do a quick check on your phone, and here there's a section called App Protection. So let's go ahead and tap that. I'm going to turn this on, and then we can run another scan. This is a native utility for Samsung phones specifically, and it performs a deep-level sweep of the system files, background processes, and internal storage folders to make sure that there's no hidden malicious scripts that are running in the background on your phone. This could take a while depending on how much stuff you have on your phone, so just sit tight, let it finish, and check the results later. Okay, so mine finished the scan here, and it says no threats found. So again, we are good. If you scan your phone, nothing came up, and it's still acting up, there's a little hidden app trick that you can do. A lot of scammers use this trick for hiding their app, where they install an app with a completely blank name and a transparent app icon, and it will hide invisibly on your phone. But there's actually an easy way to check if there's any apps like this running on your phone. We'll go to Settings first, and then within the settings, we'll go down to Apps. And then, if your phone has a separate button here to see All Apps, you will tap that. Mine already shows all the apps by default, so I'm good to go. Then what you want to do is to check the very top or the very bottom of your apps list, and look for a blank space that has a storage size next to it. I don't have anything like that on my phone here, but you would see an empty line here with no name and no icon, but it would show a file size for that invisible app. If you find something like that, you could tap the app and then uninstall it from here. That's a good way to get rid of those invisible apps on your phone. Also, I would recommend to stay away from random app boosters or unverified antivirus utilities on the Google Play Store, because those apps frequently use scare tactics like fake blinking red warning screens to trick users into thinking there's an issue when there isn't actually anything wrong. And they'll kind of pressure you into this panic mode, so you'd purchase expensive subscriptions to clean your phone. Native tools are always a better and more secure way to do this. Anyways, that's how you check for malware. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.